Hey guys, it's Agatha here with 360 Booth Expert. A lot of people ask this question, which is how much is the photo booth application, monthly, yearly, or weekly? So these are the prices here on the screen. You go to touchpix.com. This is the app that we personally use. We stand by it 100% because this is the app that we personally use. We are not affiliated with them. However, this is the program that we've tried so many out there, and this one has been giving us the best results with the least amount of technicalities. So touchpix.com, you can register on your phone. You could register up here on your computer. And then your pricing, the way it works is it's all subscription based. Because TouchPix is an Apple based product, you're going to have to go onto your iPad or your iPhone, go to the App Store, download it, and just like Instagram, you're gonna have to type in your Apple iCloud ID and your password to download it. With this one, it is a free download. However, if you want to use it, you do have to pay a subscription fee, which is, as you can see, they charge you weekly, monthly, or yearly. So weekly, that's for 7 days for $50. So this is perfect for those of you that just started out and you guys don't have that many events. Like for instance, like when I started, I only had one event for the whole month, and so I was just like, okay, well, I'm obviously not going to invest into the $1,000 just because I haven't generated that much revenue yet. So what I'm going to do is just stick with the $50, cancel it after I'm done with my event, and then wait till my next event came. So which sure enough, it came 2 weeks later. And then I ended up getting booked for a Saturday and a Sunday. So I was like, you know what, we'll do another $50, right? So my total investment was about $100 for the month for TouchPix, and I was able to do 3 events, which total was probably, I think it was like $2,300 or something like that. Not bad, right, for $100 worth of cost. So it's definitely worth it. A lot of people say it's really high priced. I personally don't think so, just because I mean we're charging so much per hour, and this is literally your only out of pocket expense, other than your gas or your charging to get to the event. So just to go over this, the weekly professional, it's $50 a month. It will give you a 1 week subscription. You can do unlimited amount of events within that time frame of the week. And then you can use unlimited number of devices. So that means if you have like 2 events the same day, as long as it's on the same Apple iCloud account, you can pretty much double dip on that one activation. So you can run 2 events at the same time with the same Apple iCloud, which is, I think that's huge. That's a big deal, and a lot of people don't realize the value right there. So as your business starts growing, that's going to definitely be of value to you. All right. Next is your monthly subscription. This is what I'm currently at right now. It's $140 a month. One subscription, unlimited amount of events within that time frame, and you can use an unlimited number of devices. So this is, like I just said, sometimes I have a Saturday going on and I have 2 events literally going from 7 to 10, 3 hours, $1,500 at the same time. My only cost is my $140 for the entire month. But in the month, I could probably do, up to 20 events if the month is good. So that's that. Then you have your yearly cost of $9.99, 1 year, unlimited events, unlimited number of devices as well. So these are the 3 different prices that you do have available to you at all times, and you can kind of go through them as you want. One of the things, if you decide to, like I was telling you about canceling in the beginning, using this for the week and then canceling it, make sure you cancel it at least 2 days before. So let's say, for instance, you sign up on a Wednesday, right? Make sure that Monday coming up next, you're going to cancel it, because they'll charge you, I think, 1 or 2 days before. So that's a huge thing. If you don't want it to do the reoccurring $50, make sure you are responsible for stopping that subscription. And the way you would do that is going to your iPhone or your iPad, and you're going to go to your settings, and you go to your App Store, and then in your App Store you'll see, actually no, you go directly to your App Store, and then you'll go over to your subscriptions, and that's where you can just literally just cancel your subscription, and you can reactivate whenever you want to. So There's another white label subcontractors. So let's say, for instance, I think that one's 1,200. But what's cool on that one is, like, let's say, for instance, you guys are, I don't know, have customers in Kansas City, right? Let's say, for instance, you're in Kansas City and you're saying, hey, Agatha, I ended up booking an event over there in California. Obviously, you're not going to drive over here to do the event, right? So you can hire me as a white label contractor. We will go as you, and we can use your account and link it to our devices. And we can, you know how you set up your event and everything? We can use your account to go and do events as you guys. So it's a little bit more, but that's when you start getting into like more of like, you're doing multiple events within a day, or you're starting to branch out. That's definitely a bigger option to start growing your business. So if you guys have any questions, concerns, or anything that I didn't touch base on, feel free to comment below or let us know how we can help you out. We do have a membership service, which you guys should all be a part of. If you didn't purchase from us, that's totally fine. It's 39 bucks a month, and you get access to videos such like this, but more in detail for like galleries, how to set up your events, how to set up templates, how to make your own music, how to upload music, and all that stuff. So yeah, like, share this video, and thank you for watching, guys.